Go ahead and get to our next person in the queue. Let's see. So Dom Q on TikTok, it looks like it connects every now and again, talking about his MacBook and his V using HDMI cable, but it looks like it's not working. Everything seems to be aware of one another, but the HDMI cable's not working. So this is a tricky one, and glad that you found your way to Techyamo Labs, where we're going to try and get this fixed today. Let me see. So, in a lot of cases with the MacBook HDMI, it's going to sound really dumb. You're hooking your MacBook to a TV with an HDMI cable. Mac products really like AirPlay now. It's a big pain in the neck for everybody involved. But what that probably means, let me see, I'm on MacBook right now. I know it's buried in here. So, you got to jump into settings. Let's see. Settings, display. You gotta click over to the right, display, whatever it is. And what you're gonna need to do is actually change your refresh rate. I would put money on it, that exact problem. Think out of the box, Apple prefers 30. Could be wrong about that, but if you're on like a newer, like 120 hertz television, probably it sounds like you're getting an image every now and again, which is what leads me to believe that you just have a mismatched refresh rate. So give that a shot. Trying to keep an eye on my comments, like I said. So if you're in here, yeah, I would put money on it. If that's not actually the case with it, I would say maybe try and get a different HDMI cable. Sometimes people end up with like ones that they've ended up with from Amazon or from older devices. Sometimes they just get kinked. Keep that in mind. We're doing live tech support here, guys, every day starting at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You want to jump into the official queue, go to techyamolabs.com/live. It's 99 cents, and honestly, we do that to weed out the nonsense with quite a few commenters. We're streaming to TikTok, YouTube, Twitch, X. We just became verified on X. I'm very excited about that.